Hello traders, into this weekly forecast, we are going to talk about the Euro USD index, and we're going to talk about the gold. So welcome, this is my channel MacroFX. So let's start with looking at the US dollar index. Well, this pair can be traded with the Forex traders and also the futures traders. So let's look at the US dollar index. Well, the US dollar index, this is a weekly time frame. Well, according to the perspective, you are looking for a short. You are looking to sell the US dollar up to the 94, where the 94 is a strong target. But they are going to be intraday short term take profit for those traders who are not swing traders around the 90 around the 98. So let's select this chart. As you can see, last week the price rejected on the strong volatility moving average, and it created a selling pressure, and now it's heading back to the 98, where those who are looking for small take profits, you can sell up to the 98, while those swing traders, you can hold this position up to the 94. Let's take a look at the day. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. This is the day. This is the daily time frame, guys. Where you see price has been forming, the short has been forming, the short analysis. So let's look at those who are looking for entry. Can look for entry around the 101 up to our first target was going to be the 98. But remember, those swing traders, you can take it all along to the 94, and those market price traders, you can also enter the market price all along to 98 or down to the 19 to the 94. Okay, those who are looking to, let's look at the 4 hour chart. This is the 4 hour chart, guys. As you can see, price has been respecting the sell movement. So what you're going to do always, you're going to look at entries around 1 on 1.76. Those market traders, you can take the entry on the market price, or you can look also for entry around the 101.228 down to their first target for those who are looking for intraday profits of the 98, while our second target is going to be the 94. So guys, this is it for the DXY. And why am I saying the DXY is a short? This is due to the central bank policy, the macroeconomic data, and the tariff going on, as these tariffs are harmful to the US, leading it to devalue the dollar and give strength to other currencies. So this is an opportunity to sell the DXY down to the down to the 94. And those who are looking and those who are and those traders who are looking for entries that are short-term entries, that are not swing traders, you can swing this trade up to, you can take it to 98, then 94. So let's take a look at the EURUSD. The EURUSD you also know is similar to the DXY. So our main target on the EURUSD is going to be around the 1.20. As I said here, this is going to be our main target. As in the DXY says going to be 94. So we are looking for to buy the EURUSD until 120. But there are traders who like main profits, don't like swing trades. So our first take profit target is going to be around 1.14. So this is our weekly time frame. Let's take it along to the daily time frame. I normally start with the weekly time frame because it shows me a clear of where the market is going. So this is our weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. So we expect some price, we can expect some movement around to 1.10, where it's going to be an entry price up to break 114. You can take your profit and retest around the 114 and take again a buy position up to 120, so this is a good opportunity to buy the euro USD. So let's take a look at the hour 4 doesn't lie, you can see. So as you say, you're looking for entries around 1.10704, and also those market execution price who entered with the market price, you can enter the market price all along to 115, all along to 1.2. This is the euro USD, guys. As you know, euro USD doesn't differ from the DXY. And you see they correlate, you see they move together. They move together. You see the DXY, they move together. And here, guys, there's something I want to show you here. There's something I want to show you on the DXY. There will be a lot of stop there will be a lot of stop loss hunts around here. You see this guy, you see this place, guys. There will be a lot of stop loss hunt here, stop loss hunt around this place. You see, well, traders always, the market goes up, come down, goes up. So there will be a lot of buy trades around here, and stop loss maybe around this zone here. So there will be a lot of liquidity taken out from the retail traders, because they always look left. They don't look at the market from the perspective, from the higher perspective, from the central bank down to the technical analysis. So right now, let's take a look at the gold. Let's take a look at the gold. Well, don't forget, guys, this is May. May is the gold seasonality, a sell seasonality. Well, over the past month, gold was rising up. This was due to the presidential election, the inflation, and the tariffs. So as now the tariffs have cooled down and the market is getting along to its ways, and this is May, guys. May is a seasonality, and prices have reached all-time highs of a season of institutional weekly range of 3, which means it's 100% down, is going to short. As you can see, price obey this weekly institution level, and this weekly institution level, and we are looking for a short. This pair are looking for a short position. This is our weekly time frame. Let's take a look at our daily time frame. This is our daily time. You see, price went to obey this institution contracts, and now it's below. It has broke the 3,233. So traders, you are looking for entries around here, entries around the 3,000, the yellow horizontal line here, 3,233 up to our target was going to be around there. It's going to be around the 2,838. This is going to be our take profit around here. So our market at our entry point is going to be, our take profit is going to be those. Most traders will normally enter with the market price. It's fine, you can enter with the market price, but this is a sell position on gold. And I know many people are still looking long, but this is not a long position. Let's take a look at the hour 4. See the hour 4, the price is heading, guys. You see, so this is a short position. Our entry price will be around the around here, and our take profit price and our take profit, as I said earlier, is going to be around. It's going to be here. So we're going to take it all along. We're going to sell it down here. So this is an opportunity for you guys to short the gold. So USD we buy, the GXY we sell, the gold we sell. Okay, now let's take a look at the COT. COT is issuers where the large movers are going, the large speculators. When I mean the large speculators, I mean the big banks, the financial institutions. Let's take a look at gold. You see gold, they are decreasing their long contracts. You see, they're decreasing their long contracts, mean that they are shorting. This means that the large liquidity, more liquidity is going to be to the selling side more than to buying. So this also lead to a pressure of gold selling in the in the market. Let's take a look at the currency. Let's take a look at the euro, whereby in the technical analysis you're looking for a long euro. So let's look what are the large speculators currently doing at the euro. You see, they're also buying, they're also increasing their position in euro, meaning that they're increasing the future contracts, meaning that a lot of cash is being to euro, buying the euro. So it's going to add liquidity and movement to the euro. As I say, this is a euro future contract. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the USD index. As I say, USD index we are looking to short. You see large speculators are decreasing their short. You see large speculators there. The official short below the zeros. This means that they are selling the Euro USD. They are keeping more money selling than buying. They are not when they are below the zero means they are not buying. The official short. This means that is going to put pressure on also on the DXY US index to go short. Okay. And normally for the traders, futures traders, this is an opportunity. Okay, let's look at the true USD index. Also, you see, guys, the large players, the big banks, they are selling this pair, they are selling this contract, they are selling this future position. So what will happen in the market? Also, the DXY index will go down, meaning that the USD will go up. So this is a great opportunity, guys. Okay, let me add something. Let's take a look at the as a trader, you must know where the volatility, weekly volatility is going. So let's look at the volatility. Okay, now volatility is they're buying, but they're slightly decreasing, but they're still on the long. So this means that there will be a slight of volatility in the market this coming week, but that doesn't give out where the market is heading from the central bank down to the technical. So this is where I want you guys to look at. As a trader, you must know where the volatility is heading. So the volatility is in a buy, but they're reducing their position. Okay, now let's take a look at something which I've said before. Let's take a look at the coming week news. You must know what the weekly ahead, what news are we going to face. This is the main thing a trader must know. Okay, the coming week, according to Euro, you have got the Monipo, you have got the Japanese on Monday, CU Summit. Let's look at the Tuesday, Canada CPI, Japanese trade balance, UK CPI. Okay, Wednesday, you got the minutes, Euro minutes. They used to take something you must look at due to the pairs we are trading. Okay, you must look at the Euro Flash PMY is something you must look at, and you must look at this news source to give us the, the, the movement. You can see the Euro ECB, they're talking about the April minutes whereby the euro reduced is interest rates. We are talking about flash measures whereby They're expecting manufacturing expected to be 49.5 previous from 49. This means that it's rising. It's still in the construction zone, but it is rising. This means that there's going to be a lot of movement upside to the euro. You see its service is going to be at 50.3, previous 50.1. This is going to mean that the euro economy is growing, as I told you, compared to the dollar. Look at the composite. The composite is an overall 5.8 for 5.4. This means that it's going to favor the euro movement to the upside. These things are the things I want you to look about. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the gold futures seasonality. As I said, this is the seasonality state, guys. This is the seasonality where there always in May there is seasonality on gold. So let's take a look at this gold seasonality. How can you benefit from it? Okay, let's read here. Gold future continuous contraction seasonality. Analysis has revealed that a buy date of September 13th and a sell date of May 23. See, we are heading to May 23. Here it is May 18th, May 23, sell May 23rd. Investors have benefited from a total return of 183.61 over the last 10 years. So you see, this is a probability, as I said before on the gold. As you look on the gold weekly has reached critical levels of the has reached critical levels of institution. It's selling. It's moving down, as you can see. You can see from a weekly time frame where gold is heading. You can see. So this is a big opportunity to sell the gold, guys. You see, the scenarios have shown positive result 9 of 10 periods. You see, 9 of 10 periods have shown results, as you can see. Not that every May is going to be a good season, but you must start looking at the data, the economic data, up to the technical. So this support this gold seasonality throughout this year. So that this is an opportunity. I want you to take a look at it. So let's look at something else, guys. There's things are called, you know that when you trade, a broker must pay you or you're going to pay the broker. These are called interest swaps. This is different between interest rates. For example, the euro interest rate is at 2.5%, the US is at 4.5, meaning the US has a rate interest rate than the euro. So what happens when you sell the Euro USD? Let's take a look at what happens when you sell the Euro USD. Okay, when you sell the Euro USD, here it is. When you sell the Euro USD, look guys, minimum spread, typical spread, long position. When you long, you're going to be paying the broker -8. It's going to be deducted from your account. This depends on your loss type. If it is 0.01, it means it's going to be a 0.08. Yeah, according to your loss size. When you short, the broker is going to pay you 4.9. But there's no room to short the Euro USD. Now this is a long. So what will happen? Yeah, we are going to short, even if the broker is going to take something from our account. But I will show you the way of risking it, guys. Don't worry. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, where's gold? See gold. When you long gold, you're going to pay the broker 48.2, depending on a lot size. But when you short gold, you see, the broker is paying you 28.47. This is according to the interest rates of governing the currency. Okay, so guys, let's look. This is a big opportunity. So even if the USD, you're going to be paying the broker -8, but when you sell the gold, you're going to be the broker is going to pay you -28.47. This means that you're going to cover the loss from the broker what was taken from the USD. You're going to give it to the gold. So this is a great opportunity, guys. I'll drop another video showing looking for right brokers to trade on. Please watch my gold video for more clarification. I've put the link in the bio. My Euro USD video, I've put the link in the bio. Take a look at the whole explanation of the video from the macroeconomic central bank down to the technical analysis. And please, these pairs I want you to look at this week. Make good advantage of them, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more other educational videos concerning the forex market, the futures market, and the stocks market. Please, thank you everybody, and have a nice week.